Jamaica, land of wood and water, birthplace of reggae, home to the fastest sprinters on the planet. But beyond these accolades lies a deeper truth. Jamaicans are some of the kindest, most welcoming people you'll ever meet. From the moment you step off the plane, you're greeted with warm smiles and genuine hospitality. Welcome to Jamaica, Mon, is not just a greeting, it's a way of life. This island nation, with its vibrant culture and infectious energy, embraces everyone with open arms. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Kingston or relaxing on the pristine beaches of Montego Bay, you'll encounter the same spirit of generosity and kindness. It's in the way locals are always willing to help, offering directions with a smile or sharing their food with a stranger. This inherent warmth is woven into the fabric of Jamaican society, a testament to the island's motto, "Out of many, one people." One love, one heart, let's get together and feel all right. Bob Marley's iconic lyrics perfectly encapsulate the Jamaican spirit. This isn't just a song, it's a philosophy that permeates every aspect of life on the island. Out of many, one people. This motto, emblazoned on the Jamaican coat of arms, speaks to the island's history and its people's strength. From the indigenous Taino people to the arrival of Europeans and Africans, Jamaica's story is one of diversity and resilience. This melting pot of cultures has created a unique and vibrant society where differences are celebrated and unity is paramount. Jamaicans understand that despite their differences in background, beliefs or appearances, they are bound together by a shared humanity. This deep-rooted sense of unity fosters an environment of love and respect, where people are encouraged to embrace their shared heritage and celebrate their individuality. It's this spirit of one love that makes Jamaica so special. Don't be surprised if a stranger in Jamaica tells you they love you. It's not uncommon to hear "I love you, man," or "respect, my sister" from someone you've just met. This isn't just a casual phrase, it's a genuine expression of affection and connection. Jamaicans have a unique ability to make you feel like family, even if you've just met. They're quick to strike up conversations, share their stories, and offer a helping hand. This openness and warmth can be disarming at first, but it's a testament to their genuine desire to connect with others. This friendliness extends beyond casual encounters. Jamaicans are known for their hospitality and generosity. They open their homes and hearts to visitors, sharing their food, music, and culture with genuine warmth. This welcoming spirit is deeply ingrained in their culture, a reflection of their belief in the interconnectedness of all people. Section 4. The Price of Paradise. A little bit of envy. Jamaica's unique blend of warmth, resilience and joie de vivre has not gone unnoticed. In some corners of the Caribbean and Africa, there's a hint of envy, a playful and sometimes not so playful grudge against Jamaicans. Some say it's because Jamaicans are too loud or too proud. Others whisper that it's the way they move with an effortless cool, a rhythm that seems to pulsate from within. Perhaps it's the global recognition. Jamaica, a small island nation, has had an outsized impact on the world stage. From reggae music to world-class athletes, Jamaican culture has captivated hearts and minds across the globe. Whatever the reason, this grudge is often tinged with admiration. It's hard not to be drawn to the infectious energy and undeniable spirit of the Jamaican people. Section 5. Punching above their weight, a global influence. Jamaica's impact on the world far outweighs its size. This small island nation has produced some of the greatest athletes, musicians, and cultural icons of our time. In the world of sports, Jamaica is a powerhouse. Usain Bolt, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price, Asafa Powell, these are just a few of the names that have made Jamaica synonymous with speed and athleticism. Musically, Jamaica's influence is undeniable. Reggae, born in the heart of Kingston, has become a global phenomenon, spreading messages of peace, love, and unity. Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, Jimmy Cliff, these legends have left an indelible mark on the world of music. And then there's the food. Jerk chicken, ackee, and saltfish, patties. Jamaican cuisine is a tantalizing blend of flavors and spices that has become a global sensation. Jamaica's contributions to the world extend far beyond its shores. This small island nation has made an immeasurable impact on global culture, reminding us of the power of unity, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit.